Welcome to Tech and Health Channel. Today we will talk about what is MongoDB and its features. What is MongoDB? MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL database management system that is cross-platform. It has high performance, high availability, and auto-scaling. Some of its key features. Document-based data model. MongoDB stores data in flexible, JSON-like documents, making querying and indexing easier. Dynamic schema. Because MongoDB is schema-less, documents in the same collection can have different fields, making semi-structured and hierarchical data easier to represent and work with. Indexing. MongoDB allows for indexing on any field in a document, allowing for quick querying and sorting. Aggregation. MongoDB includes an aggregation framework that allows for data analysis and processing via pipeline operations. Replication. Because MongoDB supports automatic replication for high availability and failover, it is ideal for mission-critical applications. Sharding. MongoDB offers horizontal scaling through sharding. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and hit the bell icon to subscribe.